I'm Rajendra from Pune, and I'm an entrepreneur who started his business 2 to 3 years back. And before coming over here, I was concerned कि हो पाएगा कि नहीं, and all there are a lot of questions. Generally होता है ना, investing a good amount and then thinking is it possible or not. But when the first program which I attended for sir was a introductory session for train the trainer, and over there I was very clear कि this is the person who is so grounded, who's really concerned, and who's willing to give everything that he has learned for the past 20-25 years to the society. So I said, this makes sense. But then again, challenges are there, right? So I was planning for June program, but I came in for the Feb. And the intent was very strong. I made it. And the day I entered, and today when we are finishing off the program, 12 days, I can sense and I believe I'm a different person altogether. My relationships are improved with my family. Okay, I've got some assignments right away. And it is working all on 7 areas. Getting up early in the morning, which is a problem for most of the people. Okay, doing your daily rituals. So a lot of things are a good takeaway from here. So if you transform yourself first, that was the core part, which sir did it in the past 12 days. And from day one, we were like full of energy. Sitting in the classroom for more than 10 to 12 hours was like full of energy. We were like, sir, let's continue more. Let's do something else. And the activities, then the designing of the course, the way he takes you from conscious mind to subconscious mind and everything, it is awesome. The fraction of the amount is like peanuts because it's very priceless. You can change your own life, you can change people in your life as well as other people, and it's a very noble cause. So when you go out, you have that thing, yes, I am here for a reason. It's not like you get up early in the morning, go to office, work, come back and repeat, and then you don't enjoy it. So it is something which you enjoy for your whole rest of your life, and you'll be proud of it. And those people are connected to you. So it'll make a difference in other people's life, which is really important in today's world. It is worth the price, it's worth the money, it's worth the time. 12 days, it's worth the time. And you should experience this once in your lifetime. This is what I believe. Thank you so much. Thank you.